The next function is linear function and the equation is y equal to ax plus b. So, linear maksudnya highest power of x is 1. So, paling tinggi kuasa x adalah 1. So, x kuasa 1 adalah yang paling tinggi. Linear function maksudnya graf kamu adalah straight line, sama dia naik ataupun dia turun. For linear, the first step is to write y equal to ax plus b. Look at the value of a. If a is positive, it is a straight line going upward. If a is negative, it is a straight line going downward. For the second step, we need to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. To find x-intercept, you substitute y equal to 0 into your function. To get y-intercept, you substitute x equal to 0 into your function. So let's do example 5, question A. We have fx equal to 3x minus 9, where x is an element of R. So here, the highest power is 1, so we know that this is linear. Step 1, just write y equal to 3x minus 9. And then look at the value of a. A tu mesti depan x. So here a is positive 3. Since a is positive, this means that it is a straight line going upward. For the second step, we need to find x-intercept and y-intercept. So, x-intercept means that y is equal to 0. So, substitute y equal to 0 into y equal to 3x minus 9. So, y here is 0. Therefore, by solving, you get x is equal to 3. So, daripada sini, Miss suka keluarkan koordinat x dengan y. So, x is 3, y is 0. To find y-intercept, we substitute x equal to 0 into y. So we will get y equal to 3 times 0 minus 9. Hence y is equal to negative 9. Therefore the coordinate is 0, negative 9. So now we just need to sketch our graph. So kita lukis x dengan y axis macam biasa. So tengok pada kita punya x dengan y intercept. So here we have 3, 0. So, x3, y0 kat situ. The other one is 0, negative 9. So, when x is 0, y is negative 9. Which is here. And we know that it is a straight line going upward. So, lukis straight line yang gabungkan kedua-dua kita punya koordinat ni. And then label line tu apa dia? This line is y equal to 3x minus 9. So, jangan lupa pasal extra information yang dia bagi pada kita ni. So, here it says that x is an element of R. So, tak ada limit untuk x ni. X ni can be any number on our x-axis. So, kamu tak perlulah nak cari extra maklumat dia sampai mana. Dia daripada negativity sampailah infinity. So, now we can find our domain and range. To find the domain, kamu boleh tengok kat sini. Graf kamu ni daripada kiri sampai kanan dia sentiasa ada graf. Ataupun kamu boleh tengok saja pada soalan ni dia dah bagi tahu pada kamu x is an element of R. Now, what about range? Range kita scan daripada bawah naik atas. So, daripada bawah ni kita dah ada graf. Sentiasa ada graf sampailah positive infinity. So, range pun negative infinity until positive infinity, which is real number R. Let's try another question. So here we have fx equal to negative x plus 4 and this is the extra information given to us. So look at the highest power of x. Here we have x to the power of 1. Therefore this is linear function. So it is a straight line going upward or going downward. For step 1, just write y equal to negative x plus 4 and then look at the value of a or the coefficient of your x. Since a is equal to negative 1, which is a negative value, therefore it is a straight line going downward. To find x-intercept, we substitute y equal to 0 into our function y. And we'll get x equal to 4. As per usual, always write the coordinate. Since x is 4, y is equal to 0, therefore the coordinate is 4, 0. To find y-intercept, we substitute x equal to 0 into y. And we will get y equal to 4. So, the coordinate is 0, 4. So, katakanlah kamu try lukis kita punya graph. Label dulu x dengan y axis. So, let's plot the first coordinate which is 4, 0. And the second coordinate is 0, 4. The graph is a straight line going downward and it should connect these two coordinates. So, dapat macam ni. Tapi jangan lupa pasal kita punya range of x here. So, kat sini kamu kena consider x equal to -2. And since it has equal sign, this means that it is a dense circle. So, memandangkan kita ada extra maklumat, instead of 2 step, kita akan ada lagi 1 step. Substitute x equal to 2 into y. So, when x is -2, y is 6. So, we have another coordinate, -2, 6. And this coordinate will use a dense circle. For x equal to 3, since it doesn't have equal sign, we need to use an empty circle. So, substitute x equal to 3 into y. Therefore, x equal to 3, y equal to 1. We have another coordinate 3, 1, and we're going to use an empty circle at this coordinate. So, kamu tengok dulu kat mana -2, 6. Say that this is -2. So, at -2, 6, it is a dense circle. And for 3, 1, it use an empty circle. So, ini maksudnya graf kita dia cuma berada between -2 and 3 only. So, the graph should be between -2 and 3 only. So, tak ada graf dekat luar ni. So, kita padam. Graf yang tak berkaitan, kita padam. Tapi jangan lupa label kita punya graf. So, this is y equal to -x plus 4. So, how do you find the domain? You can use the graph here or just look at the question. But for range, we need to look at our graph. So, scan from downward to upward. So, kat bawah ni tak ada graph. Graph kita bermula pada y equal to 1. Tetapi dia empty circle, bermaksud dia open bracket. And then graf kita ni dia ada sampailah y equal to 6 only. And it use a dense circle. So, kita akan guna close bracket. So, that's how you find the domain and range for this question.